Hi, I'm Jack from legalexpert.co.uk. We are personal injury claims specialists. We're open 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, and we offer a no-win, no-fee service. In this video, I'm going to be looking at whether or not you may be eligible to bring a claim for compensation if you've been involved in an accident which has resulted in a neck injury. I'll be taking a look at whether or not you can claim, along with how we recommend that you begin the process of claiming, as well as how much your neck injury may be worth, as we take a look at our compensation injury amounts table. If you have any questions or requests, let us know in the comments, and if you like this video, please do hit that thumbs up button, as this will help us see what type of content people find helpful. Neck injuries can be the result of a number of different accident types, from workplace accidents, road traffic accidents, and slips, trips and falls, to name but three. Not only may these injuries be extremely painful, but they also have the potential to impact how a victim lives their life. So, if you've been involved in an accident which has resulted in a neck injury, you may be wondering whether or not you're entitled to compensation. If the accident which caused your neck injury was due to the negligence of someone else, then you may be entitled to compensation. So that's whether or not you may be eligible. But how do you go about bringing a claim for a neck injury? Well, we strongly recommend that you reach out to a personal injury compensation specialist that has experience in dealing with neck injury compensation claims. Now, the good news for you is that legalexpert.co.uk not only offers a no-win, no-fee service, which means that there's no upfront fees, and if your case was to lose, then there's not a penny to pay. But we're also happy to offer you a completely free, zero obligation consultation, where we'll talk through your case with you in order to help you establish what your options are. You can speak to us whenever you'd like, as we're open 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, by calling our free phone helpline, which is 0800 652 7676, or by visiting our around-the-clock live chat service at legalexpert.co.uk. If you're wondering, personal injury compensation, how much compensation may I get? Well, we'll be happy to use our multiple injury compensation calculator and our soft tissue injury compensation calculator to help you establish how much you may be entitled to, as the figures that we'll shortly be going over will be for your injuries alone and do not include any additional sums for things like loss of income from time off work, any medical expenses, the cost of any trips made in relation to your injury, and any other expenses associated with your injury. Now, we're going to take a look at how much your neck injury may be worth when claiming compensation by taking a look at our neck injury compensation claim amount table. In front of us, we have the table for neck injury compensation claim amounts, and we have three severe categories on this table. In the top category, you can expect to receive anything in the region of £118,240. In the second severe category, you can expect to receive anything between £52,390 all the way up to £104,370. In the third severe category, you could expect to receive anything from £36,240 all the way up to £44,630. We then have three moderate categories. You could expect to receive anything from £19,920 all the way up to £30,690 for the first moderate category. For the second moderate category, you could expect to receive anything from £10,960 all the way up to £19,920. Then, for the third moderate category, you could expect to receive anything from £6,290 all the way up to £10,960. We then have three minor categories. And for the first minor category, you could expect to receive anything from £3,470 all the way up to £6,290. For the second minor category, you could expect to receive anything from £1,950 all the way up to £3,470. Then finally, the third minor category, you could expect to receive anything up to £1,950 for this. I'd like to emphasise that these figures are the amounts that you may receive solely as an award for the injury itself, and does not include the amount of any loss of income from time off work or any expenses you've incurred or may incur as part of your compensation sum, which means that the amount of your claim is likely to be larger. Once again, if you found this video helpful, we'd really appreciate it if you could hit that like button, as this will help us see what type of content people find helpful. Thanks.
Of course, the circumstances of each incident are never the same. And whether or not you believe you have a valid claim, it's always advisable that you speak to an expert on the matter. So if you'd like further assistance, we are personal injury claims specialists. We offer free, friendly advice on no-win, no-fee compensation claims, so there's not a penny to pay if you lose. Get the maximum compensation that you deserve. We're rated 4.8 out of 5 stars, and we have specialist solicitors with up to 30 years experience. It'll only take just a couple of minutes for our team, who'll be happy to answer any questions you may have to help establish whether or not you have a valid claim. Call now on 0800 652 7676 or visit our live chat service at legalexpert.co.uk.
Don't forget to subscribe, as we'll be uploading helpful videos just like this one on a regular basis. You can also check out one of our recommended videos or head over to legalexpert.co.uk, where you can read community questions on our forum, get free advice from our live chat, read articles and seek assistance for compensation on a no-win, no-fee basis with your personal injury claim.